to get some rims on my whip. Yup. I haven't been on here in a while, but this is my like return video. And as y'all can see, I'm at Big Boy Toys on Oxon Hill Road. About to get the rims installed.
No.
Hey, well, bro.
Gang.
How come you came outside? How come you came outside?
Cause I'm in the barn.
Yeah, about to get the rims installed. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. In the car right now with bruh. Watch this shit. That nigga about to get turned up. Yeah. He's gonna have to paint the little capillary joints.
Yeah.
And he's gonna have the locks on it. So that's how much shit will be looking.
These are little rim guards. Go ahead, fuck them up with the lime green.
I'm gonna just stick the black, red, and green.
These will look sweet on a Hellcat.
It's like, if I come here, I get some two-tone shit or something. Because it's like, people be walking out here with shit like that. Like, why? I need something that's going to, you know, to like put some pressure on some shit.
Something that's gonna be worth the money.
I seen somebody got this the other day.
I don't know. Like a Redskins fans type shit. Yeah, those look sweet.
Yeah.
You know,
all of them can't fit. Oh, these are BMW joints right here. See, this look kind of icy because it got the BMW logo on there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's kind of like an old school.
Yeah.
I don't know why everybody that got the BMWs and shit, the band's been putting this on theirs on their page. The big boy, like, why? Right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not paying for that shit. See, this look odd, but this look more like a muscle car type shit.
Yeah. These might be the choice right here. I think these the ones. These look sweet too.
Might just have to go with these. Yeah, these look nice. Serious.
I like these. Oh, icy white. Can't drive these joints in DC. Yeah, you can't drive them in DC.
Hell no.
Oh, fuck them up.
That's more like something you get when you enjoy your car like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I fuck with that color.
Yeah, those look sweet too.
It's like wine. Man, this
I wouldn't be able to choose for real. Cause some of them look sweet in here, but they probably look champ.
See?
Once you get them.
You know they do spoilers and shit too in here?
Oh, they got the little foot, little stand joint.
I feel like the trucks and shit. Just had to go with these. They actually look nice. Rims something serious.
I like these.
They got that pressure in here. Huh. You gotta be careful as hell with those. Look at these.
Yeah, you can't drive them in DC.
Hell no. That's how it's gonna be fucked up. That's more like something you get when you enjoy your car like that. But yeah, I fuck with that color.
Those look sweet.
Yeah, it's like wine type of. Yeah. Damn, this guy little as hell. What the fuck kind of car is this one?
I wouldn't be able to choose.
Yeah, it's hard as shit. But I feel like I made a good ass decision.
Cause some of them look sweet in here, they probably look champ.
See, you know they do spoilers and shit too in here.
Oh, they got a little foot, little stand.
Yeah, for like the trucks and shit. You change your headlights and shit. But I'm gonna do that with the dude. You know, the ones that put the custom colorful lights and shit in. Yeah. Man, they got everything a nigga need in here. Alright. I fuck with that. Yeah. I fuck with them formats. I fuck with that one of the 5 points. Look, Expedition. Damn. Oh, you can get the bus down Sunday, bro. Damn, look at that. Yukon. Most definitely get those. Alright. Just they getting something put on the dollar on the bands right now. Paper tags and all. Oh, fun of big boy toys.
Yeah. We do that.
Alright, bet. About to go make a little quick move. Still getting the rims and stuff. Got the capillaries painted. As you can see.